Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix hotspot not working on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to settings, and after that, you have to go to Personal Hotspot. And to know what is exactly not working on your hotspot, we are going to go through all those settings one by one. So first of all, you need to be sure that allow others to join is activated. So like that other people can join your network. And the second thing, be sure that the password of your hotspot is the actual password that you are using in the device that you want to connect with your hotspot. And of course, even if that device was connected before to your hotspot, but you changed the password, so this device need to connect again with the new password, so like they can use your hotspot again. And also, if you want to be more sure that the other person can use your hotspot, you have to add maximize compatibility. This option, it may be like deactivated, like you can use it to make the performance of your hotspot more good. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video.